In this video, we will learn about if statement and comparison operators in JavaScript. In if statement, we evaluate some condition. If that is true, we will do something, and if it false, we can use else to do something else. It's look like this. If something true, then inside if, this is the curly braces of starting of if statement, and this is the end. And we can do something here, and if this is condition is false, we can use else statement to do something else. Now I will show you the code example. Let's see example of if statement that checks a person's age and display a message if the age is greater than 18. So I'm going to use a variable age and initialize this to value 18, and in if condition I will check if age greater than 18, then I'm going to print console in console.log you are older than 18. Right now the value in age is 18, so this condition is false. It's not greater than 18, so it's not, this message is not going to print. So if I make it just 19, then this condition will become true because age 19 is greater than 18, and this message will be printed, you are older than 18. Let's see. And when we open this web page in a browser such as Chrome, you can go over here and more tools, and under developer tools, and under the console tab you can see you are older than 18. So we got this message printed because this condition is true. Now we will see an example of if and else statement. So I'm going to initialize value of x with 10, and in if statement I will check if x equals to 10. This is not an assignment operator, this is comparison. So we are comparing these two values, that if x has a value of 10, then we are going to print message such as console.log true. If this is not true, then we are going to use else statement, and over here we are going to print something console.log, and we can print false. And over here I'll just save it and then refresh the browser again. Over here you can see it printed true because the value of x is 10 set over here. If I change to, for example, 20, then it should print false. This condition will not be true because there is a 20 inside x. So then we can come to in else statement and print this message false. So this over here I need to refresh it, and you can see it printed false. So this way you can use if and else statement. Now we are going to check if it's x is not equals to 10. I'm just gonna copy from here, and for not we are going to use this. If x is not equals to 10, then this condition comes true and true will be printed. And what we have in x is 20, so it is not equals to 10, so this should print true now. I'm just gonna save it and refresh the browser. Over here is, you can see it printed true now. So, And now we are going to, after this, compare values and types. So in if condition, we can use equality operator, but instead of 2 we can use 3. For example, if you want to check the type also, if x equals 3 equal signs equals to 10. So what we are doing over here is, when you use 3 equal operators, it check for data type. For example, this is a number 10, so it will check if there is a value in x is also a number. So if you want to check for the data type and also want to compare the values, then you can use these 3 equal signs. And over here we are going to just print true console.log, and here you're gonna be true, and just save it. Here I will set the value to 10. So I missed a semicolon over here and here too. It's better to use this. So, and I'm just gonna refresh the browser again, and it should print 2 because I have set the value to 10. Now if I'm going to make this as a string, when you put or surround the value in single quote, it become a string. Now it should fail. So it's in else statement, you're going to print false. Save it, refresh the page again. You can see it printed false. So over here what we are doing is checking the value, comparing the value, and also checking the data type. So when we make this x as a string value, then it don't match the number 10 value. So that's why it comes to else statement and it print false. Now we are going to see example of greater than operator. So I'm just gonna copy this one and modify it. I will change it to 100. I'll set the value. If x is greater than 100, it should print true, else false. So right now it is 100 over here. So greater than 100. Right now it is 100. So this condition is false. To make it true, we need to do over here 101. Now 101 is greater than 100, so it will print true for us. I'm just gonna save and refresh. It's true over here. So this is for greater operator. This condition you can check, and you can do same with the less than. For less than you can do like this. This is for greater. Now we will see example of if and else if condition. So for that, I'm going to declare a variable color and initialize it value to black, and over here, and then I'm gonna check in if condition, if color is equal to black, then print color is black on console. So it's gonna be console.log color is black. And now I can use or check another condition else if you want to check if it matches some other color such as white. If color is white, then do this, like print color is white. Color is white over here, and just save it and run it to check it. It should say color is black. And now if I change to white, it will say, because we are also checking condition over here too, else if color is white, then it's gonna print color is white. And now we can see it's printed color is white because we set it colors values to white. So we printed this message over here in else if condition, and we can also use else after this and print the message. No color, no color match. So if I'm going to change to some, like for example green, first we are going to check it over here. This will become false. Also else if become false too, because there is no green here for comparison, so it should print no color match. So I'm just gonna go over here and refresh it again and just check it out. No color match. So this way you can use if, else if, and else statement or conditions. And now we are going to check for and operator. We are going to use and operator in if condition. For example, if I have money and set its value to 20, so I'm going to check if money is greater than 0 and money equals to 20, then order pizza. So it's going to print console.log order pizza. So what we are doing over here, we are checking two conditions. If money is greater than 0, we have 20 inside money, so this one is true. And money equals to 20, yeah, money is 20, then we are going to print order pizza. So this for and this both condition must be true. So if condition will become true, and we will print this message. I'm going to refresh it and check it out. We can order pizza. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.